So you have some text in Photoshop, and then you come down here to your effects, and then click on Bevel and Emboss. So just with this dialog screen right here, you can see you can affect the depth of the bevel. There's different styles, inner bevel, outer bevel, and so on. I think inner bevel is kind of the classic. You can adjust the size of the bevel. You can soften it a little bit if you want to. You can also come down here and adjust where the light is coming from, the angle of the light, where the shadows are coming in, depending on the design of the rest of your page. Whoop. And then right here with the highlight mode, you can adjust the highlights individually, or with the shadow mode, you can adjust the intensity of the shadows. And then just, of course, you can choose the different blending modes for those. Alrighty, hope that's helpful. And actually, it looks like you can change the colors of the highlights or change the colors of the shadows. So lots of different options here. Have fun.